Let's see, it's a big tree. Want to do a close-up, buddy? It's not much more. They have really similar markings. He's just a different color. Do you have more of a mask? Oh, he's gonna pounce. Maybe it's time to play a little more. You might be right. Maybe a little bit. Hey. Hey, what are you doing with Raven's tail? Hey, I don't think Raven likes that. You chewing on your sister's tail? Huh, do dogs like wheatgrass? I mean, my dogs chew on the regular grass, but they probably shouldn't all that much. Yeah, that video I posted earlier, he was chasing her around the kitchen table, holding onto her tail. She lets him know when she's had enough. She'll beat up on you, Moose. He's getting ready to pounce. What are you gonna do, Moose? He's planning his attack. What are you guys doing? You know, I've heard that when they chew on their own paw, it could be an anxiety thing, or it might just be allergies. Yeah, but Moose, he'll grab her tail to kind of play with her, taunting her. It's most likely allergies. Oh, look, the solar lights came on. Moose gets the eye boogies every once in a while. Raven doesn't really get them.